No.
Are you chewing on your grandma titty? Or what they taste like?
Yeah. I'm Izuchi Ade,
And I'm Kitsali.
and we are EQ Reactors. Today, we're reacting to Charlotte Dobrag. A savage TikToks. 1000.
Let's hear what she's got to say.
Many
Hey
zeros.
everybody,
Many,
welcome
many
back. Savage level 1 billion, billion,
It's all downhill from here.
POV, you realize the same man took you and your friend on the exact same date.
That would be very interesting.
Ah, yes,
Not
that's
fun.
fun. Okay.
We had the best date of our life. He is such a good dater. We're both sitting here. It's the same
But you can't date.
But not only is it the same person, it's the same date.
Mastery of free level 1 trillion. Okay, wow. You know that this dude probably did that once.
They
and,
couldn't
got the
switch it up a
goods,
bit.
And he's like, oh, maybe if I just do it.
It ain't
for
broke,
every
I
single
fix it.
girl, I'll
When
make
you
it
got
feel like I
game,
want
you got a
relationship, and then
game
I'll get the
plan,
goods. And then I'll
and
just
it's
go back on
working.
the
You
apps
don't
and keep
you don't
doing it.
change up. No.
Why is everybody about quantum?
Lay.
My guy, why change the formula if it's working? The formula! Oh God. Oh, you're for the streets. The streets. Did Disney hire you because you a Google?
It's excessive. You're never gonna see her again.
Please, you gotta
If
throw
you
50
go
my
in
t-shirts.
from the beginning, it's
Tell her you. This is your time on the roster.
Trap us. Why?
This
Why
is when I got time to see you. Yeah.
You know the. You can't even hate the player in this one. I mean, at least you got a pretty picture out of it.
Yeah.
The thing about summer is that more clients will be coming in wearing a skirt during pedicures. The problem is not wearing a skirt, but would you please wash your
Whoa!
kitty? Kitty be smelling like fish sauce, and that's
oh
not
my
right.
god.
The 2 masks. Whoa, 3 masks. Okay, all right. Okay, noted. Thank you. Thank you for making me aware of how the kitty may affect others when doing my pedicure.
No.
This
Put
kitty
your
gets
leg
daily
down. Put
baths,
your other
no
leg down.
worries.
Put it down.
Daily baths
Put the
don't
other
help
leg
sometimes,
down.
like, I'm straight up. I'm serious. Sometimes it just doesn't matter. TMI? Okay, yeah, well, suck it up. You're on my channel. The banner is literally me farting roses.
111 with a beautiful day to go inside.
Hey guys, let's chew on my grandmother's breast implants. Hey yo, what the? So before we start chewing, you guys, my grandmother did have these in for 10 years, but she had to get them removed because she did get breast implant illness from having these in. Because you're not supposed to have like foreign objects in your body or something like that. She gave them to me as a gift when she got them removed. So you guys, let's begin chewing.
Hold it. Wait.
They're in the mouth. Are you chewing on your grandma's titty?
The grandma should have. I don't know where.
Well, what they taste like?
Are you chewing? Those are your grandma, man.
One decide, I need new content today. Maybe I'm just gonna chew on some implants. That'll go viral, right? It will, but it will also scare people, so.
It's a win-win.
Are you chewing on your grandma titty?